Hi there, students. By the same token. Okay, let's see. By the same token means a secondary statement or another statement that uses the same logic. Let me explain. The good quality ones are very expensive, and by the same token, the bad quality ones are very cheap. Similarly, using the same logic, he is a very competitive captain. He competes for his team. And by the same token, when all of the players are playing individually, he's extremely competitive for himself. Similarly, likewise, in the same way. So people like pastel colours. By the same token, they are less keen on bright day glow colours. Okay, using the same system of logic. Okay, so somebody says something, or you say something, and then you add a further statement that is logically true if you use the same system of logic for used in the previous statement. These seeds grow very well in warm, wet climates. By the same token, they grow very badly in dry, cold climates. Okay, so using the same logic in a similar way. Now, I have heard this phrase used just to introduce a similar topic. I'm not sure if this is good use of it, but I've certainly heard this used in the UK. So, for example, I say, my sister is much better. She was ill, but she's much better now. And by the same token, my mother is coming to visit next week. So I'm talking about the subject of family, and then I add another statement about family. By the same token, by the way. Okay? So I'm not sure this is exactly the right idea, but because by the same token means using the same logic. A token is a symbol of something that you can exchange for something else, or that you have achieved something, or that you have been somewhere. It's a symbol, if you like. So English pronunciation is very complicated, and by the same token it is illogical sometimes as well. Okay, so by the same token, moreover, adding another statement that follows the same system of logic. So when it's very cold, people use a lot of electricity to keep warm. By the same token, in summer, they use almost no electricity for heat. So in a similar way, using the same system of logic. Okay? So by using the same token, using the same logic, similarly, likewise, in a similar way. Okay? So anyway, there you go. By the same token. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, by the same token, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.